Welcome to Breaking Coin News. Expert says XRP to 0.50 by December 2025 is a matter of math plus market structure. Harry's, why veteran Bitcoin investor Pumpius argues that if the SEC clears all pending spot XRP ETFs in October, the conditions could align for XRP to hit 0.50 by the end of 2025. He pointed out that at least 6 major issuers have already submitted active S-1 filings, amendments with the SEC. As we begin our news on XRP Ripple, please don't forget to subscribe to receive the next XRP news. These include Bitwise, WisdomTree, 21 Shares, Canary Capital, CoinShares, and Franklin Templeton. According to Pumpius, the timing of these filings, following the SEC's dismissal of its case against Ripple, suggests that issuers are preparing for a serious launch window. October is the key decision window. The SEC's current review calendar places multiple XRP ETF applications in a decision cluster around late October 2025. Pumpius notes that this creates a potential all green or all red moment should approvals come through. ETF launches could begin rolling out in Q4, setting the stage for institutional money to enter XRP at scale. Demand shock incoming industry insiders project that first month spot XRP ETF inflows will exceed 0.5 billion. According to commentators, this level of demand could significantly strain the asset supply. Notably, about 35 billion XRP is in escrow, and a large portion of the circulating supply is in the hands of exchanges and major holders. In other words, the effective free float is thin. Pumpius highlights that this creates conditions for air pocket price moves if billions of dollars in new demand suddenly enter the market. Institutional infrastructure already set for XRP. Furthermore, he said XRP's path mirrors Bitcoin and Ethereum's trajectory before their ETF approvals. Both CME and Coinbase derivatives launched XRP futures earlier in 2025, creating regulated liquidity channels for institutions. Combined with ETFs, this setup will funnel institutional capital into the asset. According to the Bitcoin investor, why 0.50 XRP is plausible. Pumpius argues that ETF-driven inflows of 0.1018 billion by year end 2025 could force extreme price elasticity as the market adjusts to clear demand against limited liquid supply. Beyond pure demand mechanics, ETFs open access for RIAs, wealth managers, pensions, and treasuries, turning sidelined capital into compliant, daily, settled spot exposure. According to Pumpius, the result could be a cycle where inflows boost price, which in turn attracts larger inflows. In Pumpius' view, if all XRP ETFs receive approval in October, the path to 0.50 by December 2025 is not speculative hype, but a logical outcome of supply mechanics, institutional infrastructure, and market structure. In that setup, he concludes, 0.50 stops being a meme and becomes a path, not a promise. Meanwhile, XRP is trading at 2.80 today, and the road to 0.50 requires 1,685% growth. The magnitude of this required growth has led many commentators on Pumpius' post to express disagreement with his perspective. They argue that the timeline is too short for the XRP market to expand from 0.168 billion to 0.3 trillion. Thanks for watching. See you in the next crypto news. Please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Disclaimer: the information provided on this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, for informational purposes only. You should not treat any of the video's content as such. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.